Have you ever created a new bank account in MYOB Advanced and wondering what the easiest process to link this to the customers currently in your system? Or create a new chart of account and want to link that to your inventory items or even a sub account? But you don't want to have to go through the process of extracting the data into Excel, updating the data, then remapping it into the system. In MYOB Advanced, we can use a feature in the system called Generic Inquiry Mass Update. So to go through the process of if you did it manually, you'd have to go into, for example, a customer, select a customer, go into the record and select the change you want to make. But you don't want to have to do that for every customer in the system, and you don't want to extract the data. So what we can do is we can use the mass update record used through the generic inquiry process in MYOB Advanced. I'm going to take you through that process now. But what we're going to do is under the finance chart of accounts, what I've done is I've created a new sales account which is 4,200. I want all my inventory sales to go to this new account now. So under inventory, what we could do if we were going to do it manually and the long process would come into inventory, choose the inventory items I want to change, go into the chart of accounts, general ledger tab and change this manually. But as a user of generic inquiries, if you've got the customization role as a user, you can actually use the mass update process. So if we go into this listing here, which is a standard generic inquiry in MYOB Advanced, and go into customizations and edit the generic inquiry. As you can see, you should be familiar with generic inquiries. There's all these tabs. We need to go into the entry point tab. What this does, it allows you to do a mass record change, you can do a mass deletion, but we need to enable the mass record update. By enabling the mass record update, it pops up a new tab here called Mass Update Field. To add a field, we hit plus and we find the field we want to update. So we want to update the sales account. You can do many fields here, and so you can do a bulk mass change. So if you want to change all your sub accounts to the right account, we can do that here. Once you hit save on that, and we go and view the inquiry, you will notice a change to your generic inquiry called there is 3 dots here. If you click on those dots, you can see there's 2 actions. You can update all your records or update a few. If we only want to update a few, we will select the items we want to update. And then we can hit update. As you can see, it says my sales account. I then click on the value and I find that account I want to change. Then once I hit finish, what it will do, it will go through the execution and it will update those sales accounts. So if I jump into that inventory item now, and I go into my general ledger account, you'll see that my sales inventory account has changed. If I want to do a mass update, I simply select them all and I can go update all. And again, I do the same process again, find my new account and finish. It runs through the execution process for every account that's in the system. And you'll see here it's a green tick when it's run. So all those records are changed now. It will take a while if there's a mass change, if it's a slight change, so it's up to you on it whether you want to change a few accounts or do it all en masse. If there is an error, it will tell you there's an error as well, so I aborted that. So then if you go back into your first page and you have a look and you go to your GL, you'll see all my sales accounts are changed. So the mass update, one thing I would recommend once you've finished it, go back into your customization and turn off your mass update. And make sure those 3 dots are moved. And that's how you do a mass update for certain areas of your MYOB Advanced. And if you have any more questions in regards to this, please reach out to Ardento. Thank you.